welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the MyTreat for April. I have just cut into this, haven't opened it yet, just cut open the sticker. Let me actually just cover up my address before I go showing you. So as normal, you've got that cute little sticker they put there, packed with love and sent with care, which I think is really cute. So let's go and open her up. Oh, and without showing my address, because we don't want to do it oopsie daisy. Okay. Oh, all right. So let me show you guys. So this is how she's looking. All right, so we've got this cute little like magazine type of thing. So that's nice. So that's obviously a little sneak peek of all the products that we've got in this box. We've got a Miabelle little card there, and then we've also got this Nudi point brochure as well. Very cool. So I'll put that to one side. We'll come back to this in a second, and then I'll show you guys what's inside, if you can see. Right, so let's start with this. So this is like what, a sponge? It's very hard, like one of those loofah sponges. Let's have a look, because I have no idea what this is. Okay. Oh, okay, so the theme for this month is anti-aging. So it's anti-aging April. And it says you're in for a real treat this month with our anti-aging April box, packed full of luxurious facial products dedicated to targeting wrinkles and the visible signs of aging. I love that. This is the Nudi Point Body Loofah. And it says, lather yourself in shower gel, turn the shower on hot, then exfoliate, rinse, and repeat. Very cool. So I did actually want to buy those gloves. I don't know if you guys have seen them before, like from the $2 shop. It's literally a pair of gloves that is made from this type of material, I guess. And then while you're in the shower, you put your shower gel on, whatever, and you literally just scrub yourself. But this will work too. So very happy with that. So we'll put that aside. Okay, next up we've got this. This was the sneak peek from last month. If you guys didn't see my video last month, I will link it as well. But this is the Arture False Lash Effect Lash Growth Serum. And I think the packaging on this looks so amazing. And the feel of it. I'll quickly read from the back here. So it says, this product is a peptide-based growth serum that stimulates the growth of eyelashes to give you longer, fuller lashes. Formulated to visibly improve lash length and density within 2 weeks of use. Full instructions and ingredients inside. Very cool. What I'm most excited about is I've been noticing with my eyelashes, especially because my eyes just get irritated like nobody's business, and so I'm always rubbing. I know it's really bad, but I'm always rubbing my eyes, and when I rub them, my lashes, I get like 4 or 5 eyelashes that are just like pulled out from my rubbing. And then I've actually noticed in some areas I've literally got like a gap, probably like a centimeter big of a gap, where there's just like, from all the rubbing and stuff, my eyelashes are just gone. They're like, see ya. So I'm excited to use this, and hopefully that will help with my eyelashes, but we will see. So in the book here, it says, the eyelash serum, grow thick, luscious eyelashes in no time, formulated to improve lash length and density. So as I said, I'm very excited to try this, and I will do a follow-up video. All right, so these are the Bynature Soothing Eye Masks. So we've got 2 of them here, and they are 15-minute masks. So this one, are they the same? Yeah, they are the same. They have hyaluronic acid, collagen, cucumber, and active manuka honey. Okay, so it is actually the ones that you just put under your eyes, and that's how it looks. And you get 2 of these. So that's pretty cool. Love a good eye mask. So this one, it says goodbye to puffy eyes, relax, unwind, and let the eye mask do the rest. So I definitely need to use this, I think, because I don't know if you guys can tell, my eyes are super puffy. I haven't really been sleeping all too good lately. So I think my eyes need this. I'll definitely have to do like a little pamper session for myself. Not that I am a mum, but Mother's Day is this Sunday. But you know what? Technically, I'm a cat mum. So anyway, moving along, we have got, this is another Nudi Point product, and this is a facial serum, and it says facially yours. This is 100% natural products for the mind, body, and soul. Okay, so shake well before use. Apply 1 to 2 drops on your face and neck once or twice daily. Oh, okay. And this is how it looks, guys. Very nice. I like the feel of this. I'm pretty sure this is a glass bottle, I think. I want to say it is. But let's see what it says in here. So it says the facial serum, known as Liquid Youth. This serum is what your skin has been waiting for. Well, I mean, okay, let's give it a try then. I will probably, I'm just thinking, like, it doesn't say when to use it. I assume you can just use this after you like cleanse your face and stuff. I am planning on doing a video on my current like skincare routine, so I'm just trying to think if I can incorporate this somehow. I would assume I would incorporate this after. I don't know. I'll have to look on their website to make sure I use this properly. But next up we have got, oh, what's this? Oh, so this is from Miabelle, and this is a pink clay and rose geranium face cleanser. Okay, it's a face cleanser. So it's like in a little love heart, which I think is so, so cute. Look at that. Now this one, is this the beauty soap? Yeah, so this is a facial beauty bar for normal combination skin. So let's open. I'm really curious. Oh, you guys. Oh, it smells amazing. Amazing. Okay. Oh, cute. Look at that. Oh, okay, I just dug my nail into it. Okay, I don't want to take it all the way out of the packaging, but look how cute that is. If you guys could smell this. It smells like roses. So nice. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Very, very cool. All right, let's package. I don't know how. Okay, good enough. We've got it packaged up good enough. All right, and then the very final last product that we have is the Rata and Co New Zealand Naturals hand cream, Lavender and Argan Oil. Ooh, yes. Very cool. And it says in the back here, it's enriched with relaxing lavender and nourishing argan oil for hands that need a little extra hydration and nourishment. And it just says massage into hands and nails as needed. This is very cool. I'm excited to smell this. Let's have a smell. And it's just a little twisty top. Oh, you can even smell it through the safety seal. I love those ones. If I can open this. Oh yeah, my nails, they're just disaster. I did have on, not shellac, gel nails, and obviously they grew out, and then I broke some nails, and then some of the polish started peeling off, so I just peeled it off myself. Don't do that, guys. Bad idea. So I have no nails. They're all like trying to grow again, but that's okay. That's all right. Oh, it smells even more better when you take the seal off. Okay, let's have a little tester of this. Okay, so I just put a little bit on. Oh my goodness, I need more. That is Wow, that smells amazing. Okay, I've taken a little bit more. Okay, not gonna lie, normally I'm not a fan of lavender. I had a bad incident at school in primary. I still remember it. We had to make essential oils and everyone got different ingredients, and I was given lavender, and then so you had to put it in the pot, and then you just kept stirring it around until like the oil started coming out. And the smell, oh, it still haunts me to this day, clearly. Oh, the smell, oh, it honestly from that day forth put me off lavender. I don't really like lavender smelling stuff, but depends on the intensity, I would say, of the lavender. Yeah, I just remember like I nearly got sick in front of the whole class, and then the teacher was just like, "I'll just go outside, sit outside for a bit," because you could tell that I was a little bit like, ugh. But anyway, sorry, that was a bit of a distraction, but oh, the smells really good. So let's refer back to our little booklet here. So the hand cream, it says here, restore, nourish, and rehydrate your hands with this hand cream. Oh, I do love that. That is all of our products this month. So I'll show you guys. That's the inside there of the brochure. And then on the back, there is a Mother's Day giveaway. So that's pretty cool. This one here, I'll show you guys quickly as well. This is just the Nudi Point brochure. They've got a lot of products. Okay, I'll have a look at that later in detail, but it's just got like a little list of all their products there, and also on the back. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this month's MyTreat. I know I did. I'm very excited to try the eyelash serum and also give this a go, even though I thought it was a sea sponge. I really thought this looked like a sea sponge, but anywho, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more videos. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.